died and made you king of the zombies?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Thanks so much for checking out this video on creating horror sounds in a Foley session. I try to put out these videos each week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if there's anything you'd like to see in my videos, please let me know in the comments section below, or you can get a hold of me on any one of these social media channels. Until next time.